How to propagate a Pieris from cuttings. Today I'm going to show you how to propagate Pieris Japonica Mountain Fire, a stunning evergreen shrub known for its fiery red new growth and elegant spring flowers. Propagating this plant from cuttings is surprisingly simple, and by the end of this video you'll know exactly how to create healthy new plants for your garden or to share with friends. What you will learn today: 1. How to select the perfect cutting. 2. How to prepare the ideal soil mix. 3. How to prepare the cutting for rooting. 4. How to plant and water your cutting correctly. And 5. How to care for the cutting while it roots. Step 1. Taking the cutting. Start by taking a cutting from a healthy Pieris plant. Choose a piece of new growth that's the soft flexible stem produced this season. Ideally, you'll want a cutting around 3 to 4 inches long. Use clean, sharp secateurs to avoid damaging the plant or introducing disease. Make your cut below a leaf node because this is where the roots will form most easily. Once you've taken your cutting, remove any flowers or buds and keep it shaded while you prepare the potting mix. Fresh hydrated cuttings root far better than ones left sitting in the sun. Step 2. Preparing the soil mix. Pieris are acid-loving plants, so the rooting mix needs to be suitable for ericaceous species. A great blend is 2 parts perlite or vermiculite to 1 part ericaceous compost. This gives you the perfect balance of drainage, aeration and moisture retention. If you don't have perlite, you can substitute with horticultural sand or even fine gravel. The key is keeping the mix light and free draining so the cutting doesn't rot. Mix everything thoroughly and fill a small pot gently firming the surface so it's even. Step 3. Preparing the cutting. Now take your cutting and strip off the lower leaves, leaving just a few at the top. This reduces moisture loss and helps the plant focus on root development. Step 4. Planting the cutting. Dip the base of the cutting into rooting hormone powder. This step is optional, but it significantly improves success rates, especially with woody shrubs like Pieris. Use a pencil or dibber to make a hole in the potting mix. Insert the cutting and gently firm the soil around it. Water lightly to settle the mix, but don't soak it. Step 5. Aftercare. Place the pot somewhere warm and bright but out of direct sunlight. A propagator lid or a clear plastic bag can help maintain humidity, but make sure there's some airflow to prevent mould. Rooting usually takes 4 to 8 weeks depending on temperature and conditions. Once you see new growth, you'll know the cutting is rooted and can be potted on into a slightly larger container. Conclusion. And that's it, a simple, reliable way to propagate Pieris Japonica Mountain Fire.